Satan is the bad boy, so they say, although I'm not entirely convinced that God is all that good, given what happens with religion. Organized religion seems to be the root cause of an awful lot of war and terrorism and bad stuff. So I'm not at all sure that Satan is such a bad boy, but he has a reputation. So my prediction, which I would give more credit to Satan for than to God, is that Major Hurricane Jose is going to make landfall in America on Wednesday, the 6th of September 2017 at 7:45 a.m. local time. And this is not the first weather prediction I've made. Like all the others, it's been inspired by children, some of whom are no longer with us, but some of whom are. Of course, the only difference is time between us and those who have left the earth. The only thing separating us is a few brief years in time, in the scheme of things. So, what have we got here? Timeanddate.com. Washington, D.C., USA. The time there right now is 4:05 a.m. on Thursday, 13th of July, 2017. So most people in that part of the world would be in bed asleep right now. Why don't we try, say, Sydney? Let's see what the time is in Sydney right now. Well, it is 6:05, about to turn 6:06 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, the 13th of July, 2017. Might go to a new tab. Bureau of Meteorology. And here we have the forecast for tomorrow, the 14th of July. Might check out Sydney. Here we have, what have we got? A bit warmer tomorrow, 9 to 20. 10 to 18 on Saturday, 15th of July. And then down to 5 on Sunday, the 16th of July. That is cold for Sydney. Then 7, back to 11, then back down to 8. Bit of a roller coaster this week for Sydney. And we might just have a look at Canberra. And Canberra -1 tonight, that's not too bad. 12 is pretty good for Canberra this time of year. -1 tomorrow night. And then Sunday night, look out on the 16th of July. It is going to be -7 degrees. So you don't want to be sleeping out that night. Then -3, then balmy 1 degree on the 18th of July. And then coming back down again. So that's the weather outlook for Canberra this week. So, better go to the top of the page, and I'll just scroll through this. I've already said that Satan's the bad boy. Well, Satan, the word Satan, has a value of 55. And that's actually the number of days between today and Wednesday, the 6th of September, 2017. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And have faith, Josh 10, 9:45 was my vision that I saw as I was waking up from a dream back on Saturday, the 12th of May, 2012. It's quite some time ago. And Atlantic, if we're looking at the Atlantic Basin, the 10th named tropical storm this year will be Jose. And Jose is pretty close to Josh.
And I linked this message to a boy named Josh, who I knew at my work, since I didn't know any other Joshes at that time. And September is the 9th month. And 10 plus 9 equals 19, which is the keystone number in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. And the time, 9:45, was written as a time. 9:45, if you add that up, 9 plus 4 plus 5, it's 18. And the word mad has a value of 18. I've had the odd person say that I'm a bit mad over the years, but of course they were wrong. The aquarium man at Western Park, he was mad. And he was a random who approached me when I was 13 to do something bad. The Sydney Seaside Tower House is number 6. 6 times 3 equals 18, the value of mad. And 18-year-old Stuart Kelly committed suicide after getting death threats and being badly bullied during his hazing on his first day at his new college. Hazing is a tradition at a lot of these wealthy colleges especially, but it does provide an opportunity for bullies to target someone. And people who say suicide is mad, actually it's usually because people are suffering too much pain as a result of other people being nasty to them. That is actually the most common reason for suicide. It's often a huge contributor to mental illness as well. If people are well supported by other people, they tend to do okay. Unless, of course, they have a terminal illness or something like that. Saturday, the 19th of August, 2017. And let's keep in mind that Saturday the 19th is the keystone date in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. In that case, it's Saturday the 19th of June. The 19th of August is the anniversary of the death of an Australian girl named Ebony Simpson. And she died on Wednesday, the 19th of August in 1992, which was just when Hurricane Andrew was forming, before it went on its rampage through southern Florida. So if we take the date, Saturday, Ebony's anniversary, and add 18 days, the value of mad, we land on the date that I've calculated. The boy I know named Josh, he will be turning 17 on Monday, the 21st of August 2017. And this year his birthday coincides with a total solar eclipse across the USA. And back in 2012, when I had my dream vision, and quite a lot of other things happened that year, it's when I started calling Jacob Wetterling the Storm Boy. Back that same year, 2012, there was there wasn't an eclipse, it was the transit of Venus across the sun was on the 6th of June that year. So the 6th of the 6th. And this year, the calculation I've worked out is the 6th of September, which of course is the 6th of the 9th. Not to jump ahead or anything. Have Faith Josh, 10:9:45. Now 9:45 p.m. Eastern Australian Standard Time equals 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time in the USA, which is Greenwich Mean Time minus 4 hours. 7 plus 4 plus 5 equals 16. Now Monday the 21st of August 2017 plus 16 days equals Wednesday, the date I've worked out, the 6th of September, 6th of the 9th. And John Jake Towers was the boy in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. His name was John Chambers, but he called himself Jake. And John Jake Chambers, his real name and his nickname, equals 143. And if we take the date Sunday, 16th of April, which this year was Easter Sunday, and add 143 days, we land on the date that I've calculated, the 6th of the 9th, which happens to be the birthday of another boy I worked with, who very strongly somehow reminded me of Jacob Wetling. Add 1 plus 4 plus 3, you get 8. And Jacob Owen Wetling has a value of 233. Schoolboy Nathan Breeze. The young schoolgirl named Ebony Jane Simpson. Stuart Kelly's A Bad Boy. My bad boy Hurricane Jose. 2 plus 3 plus 3 equals 8. The same as 1 plus 4 plus 3. And the word 8, if you write it out, has a value of 49. So does Danger, Bad Boy, Jose. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 is 99. Has a value of 99. And that is Jake Chambers is from the quartet of 90 and 9. Or 99. Saturday, the 19th of June 1999 is the keystone date in the Dark Tower. The value of Jake's name, 233. 23 times 3 equals 69, which is the value of Eclipse. It's also the value of boy Jake Chambers. 6th of the 9th. Wednesday, 6th of September, is 16 days after the eclipse. And my weather prediction is that Major Hurricane Jose will make landfall at 7:45 a.m. local time, or GMT minus 4 hours, on Wednesday the 6th of September 2017 in America.